In sixth sum, they given P. P is nothing but 0.9. If P is 0.9, we can take as Q as 0.1 because P plus Q is equal to 1. They given N is equal to 12. The first subdivision is exactly 10. They ask it exactly 10. Exactly 10. So first take the formula P of x is equal to x, N, x, P power x, Q power N minus x, where N is equal to 0, 1 goes on. But here N is nothing but 10 only. N is 12, no, up to 12 we can put. For general formula we can goes on, but here N is nothing but 12. We can put up to 12 only. First apply this. Exactly 10. P of x is equal to 10. What is N here? 10. What is N here? 12. X is nothing but 10. 12, 10. P of x. P is nothing but 0.9 whole power 10. Q is nothing but 0.1. N minus 6, nothing but 2. Here, N is nothing but 12. X is 10. 0.9 whole power 10. 0.1 whole square. This is the required answer for this sum. Next, if we go into second subdivision, at least 11. They are asking at least 11. That is, P of x is greater or equal to 11. We don't need to change, sir. At least came. We can change like this, sir. 1 minus P of x is less than 11. Less than 11, what are the values? After 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There is plenty of values. In spite of decreasing, we choose like this, sir. After 11, there is 12. There is nothing but 12, no. 11 and 12. We can straight answer. P of x is equal to 11. P of x is equal to 12. This is the correct way. You don't need to use the formulas. P of x is greater or equal to A is equal to 1 minus P of x less than A. You don't use the formula. You can use this one itself. P of x is equal to 11. If x is small x is 11. So first again 12 and 11. 12 and 11. Next P of x. P of x is nothing but 0.9 whole power x. X is nothing but 11. Q 0.4. 0.1. N minus 6. 12 minus 1 is nothing but 1. This one I written. Next P of x is equal to 12. 12 and 12 because N is also 12, x is also 12. 0.9 x is nothing but 12. 0.1 N minus x nothing but 0. So if you do 12 and 11, nothing but 12, 11, 10, 9. Same goes on up to goes on. The same here also 1, 2 goes on. Both will be cancelled, only 12 remains. 12. 12. Next 0 into 0.9 whole power 11, 0.1, 0.1 plus 12 and 12 is nothing but 1. 1 into 0.9 whole power 12, anything power 0 is 1. So check. What is common here? 0.9, 0.9 is common. Least power is nothing but 11. Is at highest power. I am going to take least power only common. 0.9 whole power 11 is common. 12 into 0.1 is nothing but 1.2 plus 0.9. 11 went downside. Power 12 no. That is 1 0.9. 0.9 whole power 11 into 1.2 plus 0.9. 1.2 plus 0.9. 9 plus 2 11. 2.1 into 2.1. Therefore, 2.1 into 0.9 whole power 11 is the required answer. 2.1 into 0.9 whole power 11 is the required answer for this sum. Next, at least 2. At least 2. In this third subdivision, they given at least 2 will not. They give will not. In previous two subdivisions they gave will have, but here will not. So I am going to change this question. At least 2 will not have a useful life is nothing but or I am going to change this question. At most 10. At most 10 will not have useful life. I am going to change this question because they given at least 2 will not have. At least 2 will not have. Therefore, this we can replace at most 10 will not have. We can write this at least 2 will not have useful life. We can write at most 10 will not have useful life. So P of x at most can no less than or equal to 10. Because what is the given here? At most 10. At most 10 it came. So how we can write? Less than or equal to 10 means 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. In spite of doing writing like this, I can change this sum as 1 minus P of x is greater than 10. Less than or equal to, I can write 1 minus P of x greater than nothing but 1 minus P of x greater than 10. Nothing but 11 and 12. P of x is equal to 11 plus P of x is equal to 12. 1 minus, we have found x is equal to 11 and x is equal to 12. For x is equal to 11 and x is equal to 12, the required answer is 2.1 into 0.9. 2.1 into 0.9 volt power 11. So you need to write and put right here. That's all. This is the required answer for this sum. Thank you.